health alert out of Maryland tonight. The Department of Agriculture says initial tests came back with a positive case of bird flu in eastern Maryland. We're told the disease was detected at a poultry farm in Caroline County near Delaware. This is the third recent case of bird flu in the Delmarva region. Officials say they have quarantined all affected operations. Meantime, birds at the farm have been killed to prevent spreading that disease. The Department of Health says the risk of transmission between birds and humans is low.